Hi there. This is six box and I will unboxing it right away. Let's begin with this greater one. Let's see, I will separate this one for now and I will open one by one. This is my first box. I have an annotation right here. Let's begin with this one, okay? This one. Okay, let's see. I know what it is, but let's open the box right away. Okay. Yes, it's a protector for the box. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, good protection. See, open it up. I know this is VR glasses from Google Cardboard. Yeah, there we have it. A virtual reality glasses. Let's open it up and see what we get inside this box. All right. Yes, open it up. It's a manual. Yes, for cleaning the structure. A good manual. I will see. Ooh, it's a beautiful one. It's a beautiful one. Look right away. Okay, let's put this the boxes and see what we get inside these boxes. Yes, look at this, man. Let's see. It's a VR boxes, and I don't know how to open it up. Yeah, this is the lenses, and I think this is the headphone. Right here, we have to. I think the I don't. Sorry, the smartphone goes right here. It's a lightweight structure, but a beautiful one. Okay, I think this is for the headphone and two of them. All right, and I think this is for attach in our. And what is this? Oh man, this is a controller for game playing. It's a battery pack and select start, escape M, and I think this is all right, man. Fantastic. Good. This very good glasses, a virtual reality, adjustable. I think it's adjustable. Let's see. Yes, adjustable pupil. Right away. That's here. I don't know where. Where? Okay, right here. All right. The focus. I think the focus and the pupil adjustable right here. Fantastic. Immersible gaming experience, panoramic wide view angle, and 3D dimensional immersible. Fantastic. Good. Next one. The next one is this one. I know I have a annotation right away, but let's open it up and see what we get inside this box. All right, man. I know what it is. Look at this. A good package. Nothing more. And let's see what we get inside this beautiful box. It's a bag. All right, man. This is a photo studio box. Photo studio box. I have to read the manual to see how I can mount this up. It is for 40 to 40 centimeter with built-in light, and for photograph studio. Please visit my YouTube channel to see the mounting of this studio box. All right, good. Let's see another box. This one, right? This box. I know this is what it is, but I will open it up for you right away. Okay, man. I know what it is. See, this is for Raspberry Pi camera, but where is the Raspberry Zero Pi? There is no Raspberry Zero Pi. Oh man, I really made some mistake here. I have to buy a Raspberry Pi, but let me show you the camera itself. It's a 5 megapixels camera, a little one. Look at this little one. Little one right here, the Zero Pi camera. Oh, sorry. Tem foco aí? All right, man. Yes. Look at this. Fantastic. What a camera. It's for Raspberry Pi. Support for 1080p. Video record in dimension 60, 11 to 5 millimeter. It's a beautiful one. It's a very small camera for Raspberry Pi Zero. Please visit my website for tutorial about this. Okay, this is a Raspberry Pi Zero camera. And the next one, let's see, right, this one. Okay, let's see, this is let's see what we get inside this package. Okay, I know what it is. This is a battery for my laptop, my old laptop, a Toshiba ST4050. It's a battery pack only. I will not open it up, but let me open it up and see this camera, this battery. It's a nice battery for lithium for STI 1415 lithium battery. Look at this, man. All right, let's open other one. The next box is this one. I know what it is, but let me open it up to you so you can see inside this box. Oh, look at this. The Raspberry Pi 4 A fine. I know Raspberry. It's a Raspberry Pi 4 computer. It's a model 4 gigabyte RAM, element14.com. Let's see inside this box. Let's see, let's open without open here, right here. I have to I don't know how to open it up, but I have all right. I have blue right here. Oh, right now. This is, oh, a beautiful one, a Raspberry Pi camera. Let's see inside this box. First, the manual. Let's see. This is Raspberry Pi. I don't know what it is. This is a Raspberry Pi model safety and user guide right here. Safer in English and other language, Chinese. And there you have it, a large manual right here. And what this beautiful Raspberry Pi 4 camera right here in front of you. Right, look at this, man. A beautiful one board. Raspberry Pi SD card. Please visit my website for more videos about this. The camera goes right here, and I don't know what it is, a camera, and this is the display. Okay, fantastic. This is 4 gigabyte RAM, BCM 2718 A11 quad-core processor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0. Yes, beautiful one, man. Fantastic Raspberry Pi 4 in front of you, man. This is the boxes that comes with this. Okay, the next one and the last one is this one. Let's open it up. I think the custom have opened it up for inspection purpose. I don't know. Let's see what we get inside this boxes right away. Okay. Oh, right, man. 2 of them. And I have right here inside this box. Oh, the name of the board. This is Lingle. Is Pro SP32 OLED V2 TTGO for Arduino. Let's open one. I brought this because of these boxes, protections box. Oh, right, man. It's like a Jira. It's like a Jira, man. Oh, beautiful box. Look at this. It's a SP32 OLED, and I have 2 chips on it. It's a double SP32 and SP8266. 2-in-1 board, man. Battery charging circuit. USB 2.0 support. Right away. 520 SRAM inside here. This is for my SP32 tutorial, and I bought 2 of them right away. The protection board. Okay, 2 of them right here. SP32 OLED. Good, man. I think that is all. Let me put all together so you can see all my Raspberry Pi. This is VR glasses right here, right here. This is OLED camera right here, or Raspberry camera right here. And the last one. Last one right here, the boot, raspberry. Once more. And the battery for SP32. Okay, man. This is all for now. Thank you very much to join me here at J3 channel. I really appreciate your visit. Please subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye.